Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we will be installing the LXDE Desktop in MX Linux 21.3. So let us start. I have opened up the MX package installer and the popular applications tab is current, and here you can see the desktop environments that can be installed. So we already checked out the Gnome and Pudgy. So this time we will check the LXDE Desktop. So just click the tick box for LXDE Desktop and hit the install button to start the installation of LXDE Desktop. Okay, so there is a dialog box. It is telling us that the LXD LX appearance dash obconf LX session dash edit LX terminal LXDE dash core LXDE dash icon dash theme and the LX input LX launcher LX task LX music LX panel and the LX polkit obconf. So this all these packages are going to get installed. It will require 100 sorry, not 100, 11.6 MB of archives, and after unpacking 38.6 MB of the disk space will be used. So this LXD LX appearance, so LX appearance is a application to change the appearance of the LXD desktop. Then LX session is the session manager for the LXD desktop. LX terminal is the terminal for the LXD desktop. LXD core is the core application package. LXD icon theme is the package to theme the desktop icons. LX input is the input, it is the input manager. So all the inputs, peripheral and everything for the LXD desktop will go through this. LX launcher is the launcher application for the LXD desktop. LX task is the task manager. LX music is the music player or the music management for the LXD desktop. LX panel is the panel management for the LXD desktop. LX Polkit is the security package for the LXD desktop. So let us click on the OK button, and opconf is the configuration. So you can do the configuration of the LXD desktop. So I will hit the OK button, so that will start the installation of the LXD desktop. Okay, so the desktop is installed. I will stop the video here. See you in the next video where we will do the review of the LXDE desktop that was installed in this video. See you then. Bye bye.